and today here with me is Ms. Ambika Khurana. Ma'am, how are you?
Doing great. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, so this is IMC's second day of 9th edition. How are you finding the IMC 2025?
It's an amazing experience. IMC this year, like most of the years, started by the Honorable Prime Minister setting a very, very high vision for the country. And I think he's really raised the bar for all of us to achieve in terms of his aspiration. We totally understand that the telecom sector is here to propel the GDP growth of our country. We are totally committed, and we know we have to give it back not just to the Prime Minister and honor his words and aspirations, but all the citizens of this country. So we are extremely excited about doing that.
Taking that influence from your contribution and the vision, ma'am, that you have shaped the telecom sector, how it has shaped up, how do you see how Vodafone Idea has contributed a lot to the sector as well, the development, and now in a way it has become horizontal because telecom has become a need for every sector and every department of business. How do you foresee, ma'am, the shaping of India's, the Honorable Prime Minister's goal of Viksit Bharat, and how do you see that we can go about it?
As one of the largest telcos of the country, I should say techcos of the country rather, Vodafone Idea Limited is playing a very, very critical role, and we are very humbled and proud to be a part of this journey. Our continued investments, not just in infrastructure, ensuring we bring the best 4G and the best 5G to our subscribers, but deepening our participation and collaboration with enterprises of the country. We are extremely confident and extremely optimistic about the roadmap that lies ahead towards Viksit Bharat 2047. Having said that, I think there is a lot of work that also needs to be done. Just going back to the Honorable Prime Minister's priorities, we spoke about accessibility and connectivity. So along with the terrestrial networks, we are very excited about the potential that a direct-to-device SATCOM partnership will uphold. We are extremely excited about the opportunities that AI is unfolding, and as you could have seen across multiple use cases that we've demonstrated, be it AI for automation, be it AI for enterprises, AI for skills, AI for taking local cultures and ethos and employability indices everywhere, or just for STEM education and children. We are working on an end-to-end kind of a paradigm that can really transform the way all of us live as citizens, all of us work as working professionals of this wonderful country, and the kind of ethos and the kind of, I would say, economic dividend we can give back to the country.
Those wonderful words, ma'am, and those ideas that you laid out and given, I'm sure we'll be looking forward to some more and much more visibility and making India, achieving that goal of a digitally Viksit. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.